Ikea released so many new products this summer. So today we're going to some of the best new Ikea finds for summer 2024. If you're new here, hi, I'm An, this is Mars, and we love all things Ikea, DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really means the world to us. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new Ikea product, and that is this beautiful candle holder. I was honestly stunned when I first saw this candlestick. It looks so good. From the shape to the texture to the color, this one is a real trendy piece of decor that will add so much interest to your home. Right from the start, 10 out of 10. Another new Ikea candle holder is this Tealight holder in this gorgeous deep green color. This one has such an old-fashioned charm, yet at the same time a simple and modern Scandinavian style with clean and smooth curves. This one's made of powder-coated aluminum and comes at $149. Whenever I go at Ikea, I'm always looking for the new lamps and lights they release. And these two new lights I spotted on my last trip are a must-see. The first one is this LED battery-operated lamp that actually looks so retro. Kinda reminds me of the mushroom lamp, don't you think? This one comes in two colors and I love both of them. And the second one is this lantern-like table lamp with a handle that can be used both indoors and outdoors. This one is also battery operated and just gives the warmest glow. And let me just say that I love that Ikea keeps releasing battery operated lamps, since they're super easy to move around and place wherever you want, no cords needed. A rug that's new at Ikea this summer is this cute high-pile checkered rug in dark yellow and off-white color. This one is such a fun rug to have and is such a budget one too, coming in only $79.99. What I love most about it, other than the retro feel, is that it has varying pile heights, which gives it so much interest. Another new rug this summer is also this neutral colored Art Deco inspired rug. The pattern and the colors of this one are so easy to coordinate with many different styles, and the soft surface will add warmth and coziness to your home wherever you decide to place it. A new nightstand slash side table at Ikea this summer is the beautiful Tonstad nightstand. This one comes in two wood colors and I honestly can't decide which one I like better. These side tables are made of beautifully brushed wood veneer and look so good. And let me just say, I love this whole collection and can't wait to see the many new products they release from it this year. Ikea released so many new organizers this summer, and trust me, I went through all of them, but one of my favorite ones just has to be this desk organizer in neutral cream tones. This practical storage set has two parts with space for your laptop or papers in the lower compartment and small things on the top compartment. Such a smart solution that helps you keep your desk accessories organized. And when we're talking about organization products, just check out this new Ikea vegetable slash fruit basket. This one is made out of rattan and bamboo and is just so beautiful to look at. It has two tires that keep different food items separated, which is so smart. The lower tire has a lid that keeps the storage compartment dark and allows air to circulate, making it perfect for potatoes and other roots. Smart, practical, and so decorative. Another new Ikea product for storing things in the pantry are these food storage bags made out of jute. These are so great for storing potatoes, carrots, and other root vegetables in the dark to give them a longer shelf life. There are also smaller ones from the same collection that are made out of textile and are perfect for storing oats, flour, and other dry goods. This cutlery holder is another new find at Ikea. This one is made in this gorgeous green color and is perfect for storing cutlery, napkins, and meal essentials close by. A product I was so excited to see at Ikea this summer are these bottles with labels. I just love the idea of labeling your jars and bottles. Plus, these have airtight seal locks, which is absolutely amazing. Ikea released a few new picture frames this summer. However, these two are my absolute favorite. The first one is this wavy-shaped picture frame made out of polished aluminum with a shiny surface. Loving how trendy and fun this one looks. The second one is this dark brown frame with wooden edge that is actually handmade, which I absolutely love. This materials brings a piece of nature into your home and adds such an interesting touch to an otherwise boring frame. Just loving it. New art print at Ikea this summer is this set of 2 posters. As you know, I usually don't like Ikea's art prints, but hands down, this looks so funky and so cool. Ikea nailed it with these 2. And lastly, I want to share 2 old Ikea products that now come in new colors. The first one is actually my favorite Ikea sofa, the upright sofa, which now comes in both black and blue. This stands for the love seat and the sectional sofa with chase too. They also finally released a new color of their famous mount bed this summer, and that is this gorgeous blue shade. This blue color adds such an elegant and calm feel to the mount bed, and you can also get matching storage boxes that roll out smoothly on casters in blue too. And that wraps it up for today. Did you like these new Ikea finds? If you did, let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. Mine was definitely that bamboo fruit and vegetable storage. Can't wait to get it on my next trip. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Okay, buddy, please wake up. Please? Everyone's mad that you're sleeping all the time. They're asking if you have any other hobbies than napping. I want to show them one. Are you ready? Kaj topčeta? Kaj topčeta? It's one of his favorite toys. Ajde dole. Okay. Say bye guys, see you next week.